This is Ace's Viral Smash Burger. It's so hard to control.
Simple ingredients, human touch. Beef mince balls. Mix the mince well, add your seasonings, now shape into balls. The pan should be absolutely super hot. Sit straight on the pan.
And press hard. This is the secret of crispy eggs. Now simple tuning. Look at this crispy look. What is important? Perfect nation.
The buns.
Learn through the golden means.
Secret burger sauce lagao.
Pickles for tang. Fresh onion crunch.
Now place the leaves.
Double cheese? Why not? Assemble the burger. Check. Moment of truth.